Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that concentrates on building machine intelligence that can perform tasks that would typically require human intellect. AI technology is a broad area of study, but new advances in deep learning and machine learning are having a transformative impact on the technology sector. AI Guide, Learning, How to Use Intelligence is a paradigm changer. Artificial intelligence can be used in a variety of ways to handle complicated issues and simplify previously laborious chores. Determine the issue. Determine the specific issue to be solved or the job to be automated. Collect data. Obtain the information needed to teach the intelligence system. This information should be pertinent, precise, and complete. Select a suitable algorithm. Choose the AI program that best fits the issue at hand. There are several methods accessible, such as decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machines. Teach the AI system. Train the AI system using the gathered data. This entails sending data to the program and tweaking it to improve its precision. After training, evaluate the AI system to guarantee accuracy and dependability. In a real-world situation, this can be accomplished by using or implementing a validation set. Deploy the AI system. After it has been tried and proven correct, put it into production. This may entail merging it with current systems or developing new ones. Continuously watch and manage the AI system to ensure that it works properly and makes accurate forecasts. When required, update the system to enhance its performance. Overall, using AI necessitates cautious planning, data collection, algorithm selection, training the system, testing, deployment, and maintenance to ensure precision and dependability. How should artificial intelligence be used? We can teach you what you need to do as a procedure and how to use AI in your company and personal life by providing real-life examples. Here are the first steps you should take to begin using AI. Learn what artificial intelligence is. Investigate real-world uses and instances. Find the finest AI tools to help you solve your issues. Adopt. Keep up to speed. Let's go through these stages with AI guidance.
AI has three types. 1. Narrow AI. Narrow AI is goal-oriented, designed to perform a single task, such as operating a vehicle or conducting an online search, and is extremely clever at performing the job it is trained to do. 2. General AI. Artificial general intelligence, also known as powerful artificial intelligence, or deep artificial intelligence, is the concept of a computer with general intelligence that can learn and utilize its intelligence to handle any issue. 3. Artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence is a hypothetical type of artificial intelligence that goes beyond merely mimicking or comprehending human intelligence and behavior. AI uses in the real world. 1. Artificial intelligence in sports. From football to Formula One, how to use AI in sports is usually about organizing tactics, coaching athletes, marketing, and much more. In other words, artificial intelligence has a significant influence on how people observe and consume sports material. 2. Artificial intelligence in science. In a revolution that encompasses much of science, researchers are releasing artificial intelligence, frequently in the form of artificial neural networks, on data torrents. 3. Artificial intelligence in the military. Artificial intelligence is increasingly being used in the armed services. This is why the United States and other nations are creating a slew of AI apps for military use. 4. AI in hiring. The application of artificial intelligence to the employment process is referred to as AI in recruiting. Recruiters can use AI or artificial intelligence to build or automate processes for repetitious, high-volume operations. 5. AI in gaming. According to several industry insiders, the most helpful uses of artificial intelligence in video games are those that go unnoticed. There are always novel artificial intelligence game styles to test out. Various kinds of games will employ artificial intelligence in novel methods. NPCs are the finest instances of how to use intelligence in games.